Hey everyone, this is Riley from Maple Dotto Salon, and I'm here to talk to you about our organic Silk'n'Glow Frizz-Free hair kit for at home. This product is one of my favorite products. This is perfect for people that cannot get the keratin treatment at the moment. This requires 3 products. This is going to be our Silk'n'Glow Hair Bath, Silk'n'Glow Hair Mask, and our Silk'n'Glow Serum. The combination of these 3 products is a perfect taming frizz. This is my personal favorite because I've seen a lot of positive feedback from when I use it on clients. I personally don't have frizzy hair, but I have seen a great change in people that do have frizzy hair. It really helps tame the uncontrollable unmanageability of the hair. So the first one is going to be our Silk'n'Glow Hair Bath. That one is going to be used as an everyday use shampoo. You may feel a little gummy, but that's okay. That's how it's supposed to be. I think it has to do something with the alchemy of it, feeling like that. And when you shampoo it, it's amazing, honestly.